Monday, I don't really like to strap on any new positions anyway. But if we look at something like the stock market, I thought Friday was a really good analogy of a trader's life. This is now, and it probably should be in the course material, this is a really good analogy of what I always tell you guys, that how accurate do you have to be just to be a scratch trader if you insist that your average winner is bigger than your average loser, and you insist on taking at least a 2-to-1 risk reward. When you are right, you get paid. And this is a perfect example of that, where, and I even put a tweet out, going out and barking about you being 33% accurate is not really anything to get too excited about. But just sort of staying focused. And yes, I took a couple short shots after the big dump on that employment report. And I think that those trade ideas on balance were meh. I mean, I'm not going to say they were bad, because this is 50% bounce. Could you see a rollover to come back down and test the lows? I think so. I don't think it's outlandish. And then, this one, it was 78.6 off of that range, but we also had a 2.618. And this was also a bull ABCD objective, a PRZ, same sort of idea. Could this have worked? I think so. I don't think it was outlandish for it to consider the trade. But they didn't. It's trader's life. I didn't take too much risk. You can see how much I was in the hole, about $90 or so. So, interestingly enough, halfway through the day after the daily brief, I just saw this most incredible consolidation. And I was just like, holy moly, this is everything that I do. This is basically a cup and handle formation. And really all I did was I just placed a buy on stop. I didn't even say, well, the market is going to do this, the market is going to do that. I just simply said, look, if we get back up through that high, that confirms the cup and handle, so I want to be long. And look at that relentless push, just straight up, candle after candle after candle. Quite remarkable, really. We started to get up into 2.618s, and I could see the market starting to flounder up here. So I was just like, I don't need to be a hero. Just take the money and run. So good example, 33% accuracy, nothing really to write home about, but I was very proud of myself for staying focused, staying patient, just taking the setups as they come in. And in this particular case, a really nice setup to finish the day and finish the week on an up note. I felt positive about that. I did a nice little journal write-up too about it too. So you can read about it, put in like hashtag a trader's life maybe. And then when I Google a trader's life, or not Google, but search on the site a trader's life, this spits up as an example to show you. Really good example, 33% accuracy, but because I insisted that the average winner be at least twice the size of an average loser, I ended up actually up like $3 on the day. Woohoo! Anyway, felt good to book that win and to end the week on a positive note.